The June edition of Steam Next Fest is upon us, and you know what that means. A good excuse to pretend you're working when you're actually playing free demos of new games. You might even say this trailer works as a doctor's note. As always, Steam Next Fest is the time to find your new favorites before they even launch. You can uncover secrets in an asymmetrical co-op adventure. You can build decks to battle fungal foes, attempt to survive a post-apocalyptic world, or go on a puzzle adventure where your mission is to keep everyone happy. Like my life, am I right? Okay. Fight a trash panda posse over your beloved farm at night. Or plunder your way through the galaxy as a frog. Build a cozy museum. Or run a quaint electronics shop. Why work when you can play hundreds of free demos before they even launch on Steam? The June edition of Steam Next Fest is June 15th through 22nd. We'll see you there.